Welcome again from the Capital Equipment Exchange. Today we're demonstrating a Speedline MPM Momentum Elite. This printer is production ready today. The Momentum Elite, built in the USA, has many options. They include vacuum screen cleaning, barcode scanner, squeegee closed loop dual Z. The software version is 3.6.4. Also includes 2D inspection that includes bridge, vision, contrast pad, manual inspection, paste transfer, stencil blockage, stencil bridge, and texture pad coverage. The software options include traceability and verification. Take a quick walk around the system before we run boards. See, this unit was built in June of 2008. Unit is very clean. Inside the unit, today we're going to be running one of our demo boards. It is programmed for under stencil white. It's very difficult to show though, unfortunately, but it does work perfectly. Okay, for demonstration purposes, we're going to load and unload on the left.
Give it our streamer signal here.
And the board comes back out.
Reload.
Okay, and we'll reload this board. Do it one more time. I believe this time it will wipe after the print. The wiper goes in. And we'll run one more board. And that concludes the video demonstration of Speedline's MPM Momentum Elite.